Good morning, Friday! Our food, pancit canton with egg, and danggits! So yummy! Kalami sa bulat. We have also ginisang tuna and corn. Let's have coffee. Dapat strong. Let's be strong always, no matter what. Coffee! Coffee! Coffee, coffee! There you go. Thank you, Lord, for everything. Coffee, the strong coffee. There you have it.